Greetings everyone, another day here to expand your knowledge and have fun. I hope you're ready because the lesson starts now. You guys have been doing amazing in this learning journey. Get ready because today we are going to learn about functions. Before I go on, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. And remember that I offer one-on-one or group tutoring on programming. Contact me via my email. In programming, a function, which is sometimes referred to as a method, is a set of instructions that perform a specific task. It's like a recipe that tells the computer what to do. And just like a recipe, a function has things it needs to function, and a list of actions that need to be taken for the work to be done. Now we will learn how to create a function. In the header, you give a function a name and specify what data it needs to do its job. Then you can call the function by its name and pass it the necessary data. The function then executes its instructions and returns a result. The data / values sent to the function are referred to as arguments, and the variables where we receive the arguments are referred to as parameters. I do need to point out that when creating a function in Python, the return of a value is optional. It is a bit different in Java and C++. In these cases, we need to specify the type of value that needs to be returned. If we put void, no value will be returned. But if we specify a type in the function's header, we need to return a value of said type or the function won't run. Now let's look at a more advanced example, shall we? Let's say that you have multiple collections of numbers. Now you need to find out how many of those elements on each collection are less than or equal to 5. Then the last subtask will be to display the result. The clue here is that we have to do the same counting task for each of the collections, but repeating the code for each collection will be inefficient. Let's start by declaring the function with a good name. Then let's specify a parameter. Since we need to receive a single collection for the task, we will need only one parameter. Now we can receive a collection, but how do we deal with it? The best way to go through each of the elements in a collection is to use a for loop. With this loop, we will grab each of the elements in the collection at hand and put each one in this variable. Since our main task is to keep count of something, we need what I refer to as a counter variable. Now, time for the main part of the function. Inside of the loop, once we grab the element, we need to know if said element is less than or equal to 5. When we want to know whether or not an element falls within a criteria, we will use an if statement. And if the criteria is met, we use the counter variable to keep track of things. Once the loop is done, I will have the total count. So the only thing left to do is to display it. Looks cool, doesn't it? Another video, another step in our learning journey. I'm glad that I get to teach and tutor you in all these amazing topics. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next time. Take care.